The Garden Health Library is where identification and understanding come together. This is not just a reference list, it is an active system powered by Rowan, designed to help you recognise problems accurately and respond with confidence. At its core, the Garden Health Library contains a growing collection of pests, diseases and beneficial insects. Each entry includes clear images, detailed data cards, and you can explore issues by name, symptoms, affected plants or seasons. But you do not need to know what something is to get started. If you're using GrowTrack on your device, you can take a photo directly from the library using the camera icon. That image is analysed by Rowan. Rowan compares what it sees with the full library alongside your garden data. You're then shown a detailed data card explaining what it is and how to deal with it. But this also works when you're standing in the garden. If you're using Rowan through WhatsApp, you can take a photo and send it directly. Rowan will identify the issue and respond in plain text. This is ideal when you need quick clarity: what it is, why it is happening, and what to do next. No cards, no screens, just useful answers when your hands are muddy. After identifying the issues, Rowan will ask if you want to log it in GrowTrack. If you say yes, it's recorded in the plant health monitor we just covered in the last video. This matters because it creates memory. Rowan does not forget what happens in your garden. And the next time a similar issue appears, Rowan already has context. That history feeds into future advice. This turns one-off problems into long-term improvement. Over time, you stop reacting blindly. You start recognizing patterns, spacing, airflow, watering, season timing. The Garden Health Library provides the knowledge. Rowan provides the interpretation, and your garden's history gives everything meaning. Together, they help you understand your garden, not just fix it. In the next video, we will look at notifications and explain how GrowTrack keeps you informed without overwhelming you.